Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I wanted to bring some attention to something that I caught. I don't know, maybe somebody else has caught this too, and they've said something about it. Maybe it's on TikTok, maybe it's somewhere, I don't know. But look, I want to tell y'all, okay? I want to tell y'all what I saw, what I see. This word right here, and I know everybody knows what a Hamsa is, right? You've seen everybody wearing this specific symbol up here, okay, of protection, from evil eyes, from all types of things, but it's also for luck and for, some great things as well. It's like a balance, okay? But this word right here, Hamsa, right, it also looks like Hamas, right? It also looks like Hamas, okay? And what is Hamas? What is it associated with at this moment? It is associated with the war in the Middle East, okay? So I want to bring the attention to the fact that the symbolism of the Hamsa is actually unity, okay? Not only that, but we also have the 5 pillars of Islam, right? Which to me is a symbol or a symbolism letting people know that this is kind of what we should be doing right now. Whether you're Islamic, whether you're Christian, any religion, spirituality, whatever it is, okay? Not only that, but the symbolism, right? So what's really going on? Unity or war? All right, y'all. So the thing about this that's really getting me is that, as you see in this article, this blog post, and shout out to the young lady that wrote this. She wrote this October 19, 2022, okay? The Hamsa, the hand of Fatima, is symbolic of protection in both Jewish and Islamic cultures, right? Right? And it's relating to Fatima, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, okay? Founder of Islam. And then Miriam, the sister of Moses, right? Right? So this symbol correlates with both religions and cultures, as you see. And she had a, Muslim Palestinian father, Jewish American mother, right? And she's telling you what this represents to her. And I think that is very imperative since she's literally between both sides, right there. So the whole thing is, what is this really representing? Okay, they're at war, right? Hamsa, Hamas. There's no getting away from it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So look, this is a Hamsa, okay? All right. Again, we're looking at the real live in our face symbolism and the split, right? War or unity, right? And we literally are seeing it with our eyes, right? No matter what it is, there's either war or unity. Right now, we are living in a whole new world, and we're headed into more perpetuations of war, right? We came out, the whole thing with Ukraine, all these different things that even led up to showing us what was going to be occurring in Israel, right? So the real thing I want to ask you is it real? And that doesn't mean people aren't losing lives. That doesn't mean that things aren't going on. But what I'm saying is, how easy is it for human beings that have power, that are being empowered, right? You're being empowered. You're being enlightened. Even right now, okay? You can go out. You can purchase one of these online from a whole nother country. Support somebody in the country that's creating them, handmade. Support somebody here that has a store with them. Go online. You can walk into a store with them. You can make a song called Hamsa, right? You can make a song called Protection. You can draw it. You can do anything, right? You can pray on it. You can meditate on it, right? And we can literally change the world and create unity just from that. I'm not saying it's going to change everything, but it's a start. All right, peace.